The next section, or subsection, is a scramble for territories. I put scramble for territories on my Cornell Notes as the second subsection. Now in green, what you're supposed to do in Cornell Notes is take the main idea and turn it into a question and then read for the answer. So I do that here. Scramble for territories. Well, who scrambles and where do they scramble? In other words, what does that mean? So I read for the answer. In the 1800s, European states began an intense scramble for overseas territory. So the who is answers. Who scrambles? The European countries scramble. And my prior knowledge tells me that the European countries are countries like Great Britain, France, Belgium, possibly Germany. Imperialism is the extension of a nation's power over other lands, and that was not new. Europeans had set up colonies and trading posts in North America, South America, and Africa by the 16th century. However, the imperialism of the late 19th century, called New Imperialism, which is what we're talking about, was different. Earlier European states had been content, especially in Africa and Asia, to set up few trading posts where they could carry on trade and perhaps some missionary activity. Now, they sought nothing less than direct control over vast territories. So they scramble for territories. Who's scrambling? Europe scrambles for territories, sets up colonies, and why are they setting up colonies? They set up colonies because they want direct rule over these colonies. And we'll find out what direct rule means shortly. And basically it means they want all of the control. And they'll control all their materials and their markets. The next subsection is motives for imperialism. Why? So I write my subsection as the next one in the left-hand corner, and then I turn that into a question. Motives means what was their motivation for imperializing? So in other words, why did they set up colonies? Why? What did they want? Why was their motives for imperialism? And then I read for the answer.